Hi guys, it's CJ here from Yugatech, and the new OPPO Reno13 series has just landed here in the Philippines. While the lineup consists of 3 exciting new models, today's video will focus on the top-spec OPPO Reno13 Pro 5G. Judging by its looks and feature set, this phone combines a premium design with impressive camera capabilities and solid performance. But with the price tag of 43,999 pesos, it sits in a competitive space where buyers might expect more value for their money. Sure, the Reno13 Pro offers flagship-level features like an IP69 rating for a stronger water resistance and a versatile camera system. It's still worth considering whether it delivers enough value compared to other options in its class. We're about to answer that shortly, so let's get right into the video. Starting off with its design, the Reno13 Pro 5G appears to borrow some design cues from the current generation of iPhones and add some of its own unique touches. The flat screen and frame give it a sleek, premium feel, while its minimalist and symmetrical design adds to its overall appeal. Holding the phone itself, we'd say that it has an excellent build quality and aligns with what you'd expect for a premium mid-range device. For inputs and outputs, the phone's layout is fairly practical and functional. At the top, you'll find a mic, the second set of speakers for stereo audio, and an IR blaster, a nifty feature that lets users control home appliances like televisions and ACs right through the phone itself. Interestingly, audio also comes out of the earpiece. Going back to iOS, the right side houses the volume and power buttons along with some antenna bands. The buttons are good and have a nice tactile feel. Meanwhile, the left side is flush clean and button-free, featuring only antenna lines. And found at the bottom are the speaker grill, the SIM card slot, and the USB Type-C port. One of the standout features of the OPPO Reno13 Pro 5G is its IP69 rating. This means that the phone is highly resistant to water and dust, making it one of the toughest smartphones in its class. During testing, we took the phone under fresh water at a depth of 5.5 feet or about 1.6 meters for 3 minutes. And it still came out fully functional. Even days later, the phone showed no signs of damage. That said, it's important to remember that the IP69 water resistance only applies to fresh water. You wouldn't want to take it for a swim in seawater, as exposure to it could damage the phone and void the warranty. Additionally, this so-called water resistance is only meant for emergency situations. While the phone can handle more abuse than non-rated devices, it's still a good idea to use dedicated gear such as an action camera if you're going for underwater photography. Flip to the front, the Reno13 Pro 5G features a 6.83-inch AMOLED display with a full HD Plus resolution and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. The screen looks flat from afar, but as we take a closer look, we can see that it's a quad curved panel. Talking about visuals, the display offers vibrant colors and remains visible even under direct sunlight thanks to its peak brightness of 1200 nits. The thin and uniform bezels certainly give the phone a premium look, and the curved edges make it comfortable to hold. For biometric security, the phone offers multiple unlocking options, including an under-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock. Trying out the former, it was fast and reliable, and we were able to unlock the phone even with wet hands. The latter was swift as well in recognizing face data. However, it is less secure. I wouldn't recommend it as a main security lock. When it comes to media consumption, the Reno13 Pro 5G definitely shines. The colors are vivid and offers deeper blacks thanks to its AMOLED display. It gets complemented with the phone's dual stereo speakers that provide an above-average output, making it great for different use cases. Whether streaming your favorite shows and movies or diving into mobile gaming, the Reno13 Pro 5G delivers a satisfying experience. Moving on to the phone's strongest suit, the cameras. The Reno13 Pro 5G boasts a versatile camera setup, including a 50-megapixel main shooter with optical image stabilization, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens, also with OIS, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. For selfies, there's another 50-megapixel sensor at the front. A reviewer for this phone, Wax, has put the phone's cameras to the test during his trip to Siquijor. Here's some of his findings. The 50-megapixel main camera captures excellent detail and with good dynamic range. And not to mention, the OIS helps reduce motion blur, especially in low light conditions. For zoom shots, the telephoto lens stands out, offering great results at up to 3.5 times optical zoom. While it can reach up to 120 times digital zoom, image quality starts to degrade, so it's best to stick from 3 times to 7 times zoom range. Meanwhile, the ultra lens is decent for capturing wider scenes, although it's not sharp as other lenses. For casual users, the camera app includes smart scene detection, which automatically adjusts the settings based on the subject. While there's no dedicated long exposure mode, the manual mode lets users tweak settings like ISO, shutter speed, and white balance. As for selfies, they have great clarity thanks to the 50-megapixel count. However, the Beautify feature can make your skin look overly smooth, so turning it off yields more natural results. Video captures cap to 4K at 60 frames per second, and that applies to both the front and rear cameras. Be the judge of the video quality yourself with these sample photos on the screen. Now, let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the OPPO Reno13 Pro 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 chipset. Our unit comes with 12GB of RAM and a large 512GB of storage. In our experience, the Reno13 Pro delivers smooth performance for everyday tasks like social media browsing, video streaming, and gaming. While it doesn't use a flagship-grade processor, it handles most tasks with ease. Gaming is decent with titles like Zenless Zone Zero running smoothly on the Reno13 Pro. The phone does get warm under heavy use, but it's not too hot to the touch. This wouldn't be a full review without the numbers, so flashing on the screen are the benchmark results that we got from the OPPO Reno13 Pro 5G. Software-wise, the phone runs on the latest Android 15 skinned with ColorOS 15 on top. The OS is highly customizable, allowing you to personalize themes, wallpapers, fonts, and even the fingerprint animations. Looking through the phone's UI, its notification shade and control center resemble iOS, which some users may appreciate. Navigation is smooth and fluid, and the inclusion of an app drawer helps keep the home screen tidy. However, the phone comes with a significant amount of bloatware, which kind of takes away the premium experience. While such bloatware can be uninstalled, their presence is disappointing for a device at this price point. Despite this, it still has some nifty features such as the AI Erase tool in Photos app, which effectively removes unwanted objects or people from images. The modifications weren't perfect, but it sure is handy for quick edits. Another highlight is the Share with iPhone feature, which works similarly to AirDrop. Transferring files between the Reno13 Pro 5G and an iPhone has never been this easy. Simply download the O+ Connect app on the iPhone and you're set to send photos with no hassle. Battery-wise, the Reno13 Pro 5G packs a 5800 mAh unit, which easily lasts us an entire day, even with heavy use. When we need a quick charge, the 80-watt fast charging gets us back to full power in no time. For connectivity, the device supports dual nano SIMs, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and an IR blaster. Having a phone that doubles as a remote is definitely fun and practical, though it's best used responsibly. No shutting off TVs or displays in public places. Finally, let's talk about the price. The OPPO Reno13 Pro 5G sets you back 43,999 pesos, which is a significant jump from last year's OPPO Reno12 Pro 5G. That device was priced at 34,999 pesos. At this price point, it faces stiff competition from offerings by other brands. While the Reno13 Pro 5G definitely boasts its strengths, such as the flagship-level water resistance and cameras that pack a punch, the price tag makes it harder to justify for value-oriented buyers. Sure, the OPPO Reno13 Pro 5G is a well-rounded smartphone with a premium design, impressive cameras, and long battery life. However, at 43,999 pesos, it's not much an affordable option, especially when you consider that adding a bit more to your budget could get you a flagship-grade device with overall better performance. If you're a fan of OPPO and value features like the IP69 water resistance and a versatile camera system, then the Reno13 Pro 5G checks all the boxes for a solid premium mid-range smartphone. But if you're looking for a better value for your money, there may be other options available for a higher cost, if not the same price as this guy. But hey, what do you guys think of the OPPO Reno13 Pro 5G? Does it come with a fair price for all its bells and whistles? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified of our latest uploads. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, and visit ukitech.com to stay updated with latest tech news and reviews. Once again, I'm CJ, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye! See you later!